Vince Macaluso, Regional Sales Manager for VAC-U-MAX. We handle bulk material handling systems for dried food products or any kind of dry bulk material. One of the things we're looking at within processing is, and a lot of the questions is, how do you feed your different processes? How do you get material from the floor on top of the process? Some of these processes are quite high. So we offer a line of bulk material handling systems. What we're showing right here are some typical arrangements for basic units. So what we have here, as you can see, we all stainless. We do sanitary ferrules. We can do, if you don't have that much, we also have here. These are driven by Venturi power units. This one's a little bit bigger with a bigger Venturi power unit. So what happens is the material would come up, would come into here. There's a filter in here. The material drops down through here into the process. And we could set that up to run to a hopper or to whatever you have to get that to fill up. So, and one of the questions, especially in food, is how do you keep it clean? What do you do? So what we're going to do here is look at how easy it is to take the filter out. So we got 4 clamps. Our cover comes over. And we pull the filter out. 2 minutes. Filter cage. This is encapsulated. These are washable. We run a little bit of stuff here so that we can reuse them. Then it just goes back in. So you can have spares for different materials. So that's the basic. So the next question is what's new? A lot of conveying technology is not new, but one of the things we look at in cleaning is how do you get, you're sticking this machine all the way up in the air. What do you do to get it down? So we've come up with what we call a column lift. You put this on a pedestal, you raise this up by hand, you can crank it over, get it over the process. Now you got to clean it, you just pivot it over and drop it down to the ground. You get it at floor height and you're ready to clean it out. They're working with this company, All Fill. They have an auger filler, so as you come down here, you can see that we're precisely dropping in this coffee in this pan, so they would fill it up. Again, look at the size of the height of that. So now we're sucking the material up into there, we drop it in here, and we can we can keep conveying until we meet the level switch. So we can back right off their level switch on our controls, and now you don't have somebody climbing upstairs. It's up there out of the way, the same filter. And you know, you can talk to these people, but that's how we would help you in process to get your process machines so you don't have people going up and down stairs.